Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Muhammad Meraj, Assistant Professor, Department of Finance and Economics, Muhammad Ali Jinnah University, Karachi. Today we are going to study microeconomics, and our today's class is all about perfect competition. After studying this chapter, you will be able to define perfect competition. You can also explain how firms make their supply decisions and why they sometimes shut down temporarily and lay off their workers. You will be able to explain how prices and output in an industry are determined and why firms in turn leave the industry. You can also predict the effects of a change in demand and of the technological advancement. And you can explain why perfect competition is considered as an efficient. So, what is perfect competition? So, the perfect competition is an industry in which many firms sell identical products to many buyers. There are no restrictions to entry into the industry. Established firms have no advantages over new ones. Sellers and buyers are well informed about prices. So, all these are the characteristics of a perfect competition. Basically, the perfect competition is a kind of market structure that determines how firms and sellers behave. For example, in perfect competition, we have many buyers and many sellers. We have perfect information. We have free entry, free exit. We have perfect information for all buyers and sellers. And the most important thing is everybody is price taker. Also, in perfect competition, the firm sells identical products. So these are the six characteristics of perfect competition. So how perfect competition arises? So perfect competition arises when firms' minimum efficient scale is small relative to market demand. So there is room for many firms in the industry. That is why any firm can enter or exit from the market. And when each firm is perceived to produce a good or service that has no unique characteristic, so consumers don't care which firm they buy from. So it means they all are producing an identical products. So the price takers, what is the meaning of price takers? In perfect competition, each firm is a price taker. It means if you want to start your business in a perfectly competitive industry, you will not be able to charge the price above than the market price. So that is how we can say you and everyone is a price taker in a perfect competition. So the price taker is a firm that cannot influence the price of a good or services. Basically, so the price taking or the price taker is generated because there are so many firms in the perfectly competitive industry. Therefore, the market share of a single firm is the tiniest one. That is why, and that is how he or she cannot influence the market price. So he or she should follow the market price, and that is why we say that everyone is a perfect in a perfect competition is a price taker. So no single firm can influence the price. It must take the equilibrium market price. And each firm's output is a perfect substitute for the output of the other firm. So the demand for each firm's output is perfectly elastic.